folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. We've been showing you videos of our 69 Roadrunner, Hemi, 4-speed, track pack car. Well, it's finally coming together, and it's coming together awesomely. So I wanted to show you, got the fenders mounted, a very expensive windshield wiper motor. And these are, by the way, date coded to the cars. A beautiful freaking steering box. It is really coming together. It's a long way from where it was. Dash is in it, all restored. Dashboard came out absolutely perfect. You know, naturally we've got the clutch pedals in, the e-brake pedal, and all that other kind of stuff is all in, ready to go. It's all been restored. This week we'll have the rest of the interior in the car. Look at that. This week we'll have the rest of the interior in the car. Then all we have left gets a vinyl top, motor and tranny, and we'd be driving this baby. So if you got something hanging around, if you've got one of these, come bring it to us right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.